Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming you can sign into the Google account and that two-step verification codes are available. Once signed in, export your contacts to a CSV or vCard so you can restore later if needed. Next, go straight to Contacts. Google, or open the Contacts app on your phone to view saved contacts. Make sure you're in the correct account. Check the avatar in the top right, because deleting here affects everything tied to that Google ID. Now you'll remove contacts and, if required, delete the whole Google account. To delete contacts, tick individual boxes or you select all and choose Delete, clear from trash to finish. If deleting the entire account, go to Google Account Data and Privacy, delete your Google account, follow verification prompts, and acknowledge which services are lost. Make sure to read the list of affected apps and synced devices. This step is irreversible unless you have an exported backup to restore from. Complete by emptying the contacts trash and confirming sync is off on other devices to prevent reappearance. Once done, verify that contacts and account deletions show across Gmail, Drive, and connected apps. If you need to restore, import your saved CSV or vCard via Contacts. Google, it's the fastest recovery. If something goes wrong, like being locked out, use Google Account Recovery immediately and follow the guided steps, because delays reduce the chance of retrieving permanently deleted data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.